Hi, I'm Desiree Valario, a clinical herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm here to talk to you today about tea tree oil and using it in aromatherapy for colds. Tea tree oil has a very strong medicinal scent to it, and it can be used for respiratory issues including bronchitis, colds, coughs, and sinusitis. It can also be used to strengthen the immune system for any type of virus. So one way you can use it as a steam by inhaling the essential oils in a steaming bowl of water. You just add a few drops of tea tree oil to a bowl of steaming water, put a towel over your head, and inhale for 5 to 10 minutes. And this will help to clear up infection. Another way that you can use tea tree oil for aromatherapy and colds is to create a massage oil by diluting the tea tree oil in a carrier oil such as sesame oil and rubbing this onto the chest every few days to help clear up congestion. So that's using tea tree oil in aromatherapy for colds, and I'm Desiree Valario, clinical herbalist. Thank you.